Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have square root of x inside square root of x and its inside square root of x is equals to 128, and we solve this problem for all the values of x, and at the last we check that which one of the roots of this equation are a solution or which one of the roots are extraneous root. So here the very first thing we are going to do is, here our first target is to remove these three square root sign on the left hand side. For this we will take a squaring on both of the sides. So when you will take squaring, it will be written as square root of x into square root of x into square root of x, and its whole square is equals to 128 and its whole square. So now you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here this 2 and square root are gone, and we get x times of square root of x into square root of x is equals to, this is 128 and its whole square. So further in the next step we again take squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as x times of square root of x inside the square root of x, and its whole square is equals to 128 and its whole square and its whole square. So we apply this square on this term and this complete term, so we can apply these two separately on both of these values. It will be written as x square into, this will becomes here square root of x into square root of x and its whole square is equals to, here we apply the exponent law, and these two exponents are multiplied by each other, and it will be written as 128, and this is 2 times of 2 becomes here 4. So that here we will get this x square into this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here x times of square root of x is equals to 128 and its whole power is 4. So these two values are multiplied by each other, and we will get here x square times of x is equals to x cubed into square root of x is equals to 128 and its whole power is 4. So here, in order to remove this square root sign, we again take squaring on both of the sides, and it will be written as x cubed into square root of x and its whole square is equals to 128 and its power 4 and its whole square. So here we use here we again apply this rule, and we can apply this square on separately on both of these values, and it will be written as, this will becomes here x cubed and its whole square into square root of x and its whole square is equals to, here we need to multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 128 and its whole exponent is 4 times of 2 becomes here 8. So that in the next step we have here, we need to multiply these two exponents. So this is 3 times of 2 becomes here 6. It will becomes x to the power of 6 into, here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, here we have this is 128 and its whole power is 8. So when we multiply these two terms, it will be written as x to the power of 6 plus 1 is 7 is equals to, here we know that 128 is equals to 2 to the power of 7 and its whole power is 8. So here we use another exponent law, and you know that if we have a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of n to the power of m. It means that when we interchange these two exponents, it does not affect our final answer. So for this we need to interchange these two exponents here, and it will be written as x to the power of 7 is equals to 2 to the power of 8 and its whole power is 7. And now here we need to compare the bases of both of the sides, and when you compare bases, we get here in the left hand side is x is equals to 2 to the power of 8. And we know that 2 to the power of 8 is equals to 256. So this is our final answer of this question, and this is the final root of x. And now in the next step we need to verify this value of x. So for verification of the roots, here we need to copy down given question statement here, so that the given question statement is square root of x into square root of x into square root of x is equals to 128. So here we put the value, put the above value of x in the left hand side of this equation, so that when we put this value of x here, it will be written as square root of 2 to the power of 8 into square root of 2 to the power of 8 into square root of 2 to the power of 8. And here we check that is this equals to 128 or not. So here further we first focus this term, so it will be written as this is square root of 2 to the power of 8 into square root of 2 to the power of 8. We write this square root in the form of exponent. It will be written as 2 to the power of 8 and its whole power is 1 over 2, and we check that is this equals to 128 or not. So further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as square root of 2 to the power of 8 into here we get square root of 2 to the power of 8, and this is are cancelled out by each other. 2 4s are 8, and we get here 2 to the power of 4, and we check that is this equals to 128 or not. So here in the next step we need to use here the exponent law, and according to this exponent law we add these two exponents, and it will be written as square root of 2 to the power of 8 into, also we write this square root into the exponent form, and you get here 2 to the power of 8 plus 4 becomes 12, and its whole power is 1 over 2, and we check that is this equals to 128 or not. So here we cancel these terms. 2 times of 6 becomes 8, and now we write this square root into the exponent form, and you get here 2 to the power of 8 into 2 to the power of 6, and its whole power is 1 over 2 is equals to 128. And now you see here we have we again add these two exponents, and it will becomes 8 plus 6 becomes 14, and its whole power is 1 over 2, and we check that is this equals to 128, and we cancelled these terms. So you get here 2 times of 7 becomes 14, and we get 2 to the power of 7 is equals to 128. So we know that 2 to the power of 7 becomes 128 is equals to 128. So this shows that the value of x is equals to 2 to the power of 8 or 256 is satisfied our given question statement. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.